Cardamom is an antispasmodic, tonic, and an uplifting oil. It is commonly used in aromatherapy as a tonic for the stomach, for the digestive system, as well as heartburn, and also for dyspepsia-related remedies. It contains cinnamon, which helps break up chest congestion while boosting the immune system. Cardamom is also helpful for muscle cramps, catarrh, sinus headache, and for physical exhaustion. It is best used in baths, massage oils, lotions, and in a diffuser. For the body, its stimulating nature warms sore muscles and supports circulation. For the mind, it improves mental clarity and uplifts one's spirit. Cardamom is known to warm the heart with a long history of being used as an aphrodisiac. It is non-toxic, non-irritant, and non-sensitizing. Please check with your healthcare provider before use during pregnancy. Cardamom is a middle note.